Hello, first graders. Today I want to show you your Math Canvas assignment for Monday, August 24th, 2020. First, you have to log into Canvas and click the blue button for Math, and that takes you to the Math home screen. On the Math home screen, we're going to scroll the whole way down to the bottom and click Enter here. And here's our calendar page, and we're going to look for August 24th, which is right here. Today we're going to do lesson 1, 2, day 1. So we're going to click on the green box and it takes us right to lesson 1, 2, day 1. We're going to click the overview and get started. All right, our overview tells us what we're going to need. There's a family letter here you can click on to learn more about the topic. Today you will complete lesson 1, 2. We'll do the solve and share, try this, and visual learning bridge today, and we'll do the last 3 things in here tomorrow. All right, we're going to go ahead and click next. And it's time for the solve and share. So you're going to scroll down here and you're going to click on the video and you're going to watch the solve and share and get ready to solve the problem. To make the video bigger, you can click down here and make the video bigger. All right. Now, there are some manipulatives if you don't have any at home. There's counters here that you can pull over and use. And there are also connecting cubes, which you can pull over and use. When you have an answer, you're going to click reply, and you're going to type your answer in that box, and then you're going to click post reply. Then when you're done with that, you're going to click next and continue your lesson. The next activity is try this. So you're going to click this try this video and you're going to listen and do the try this activity. Here is the problem to solve. Trey has 3 cars. His brother has 4 cars. How many cars does Trey and his brother have? Again, you have the connecting cubes here. It says click reply below to submit an answer. Then click next at the bottom. So again, you will click reply and then you'll type in your answer in the box. After you're done clicking your answer in the box, you will go ahead and click post reply. And after your reply has been posted, you will click next to continue your lesson. This is the last part of the lesson you'll do today. It's called the Visual Learning Bridge. Again, you have your virtual teacher here. So you will watch the virtual bridge by pressing the play button. Again, there's a little image right here that you can tap on to enlarge your picture. And then here is a review of the lesson. And boys and girls, when you get there, you will stop for today.